you recommend someone?
Yeah,
Yes,
most definitely.
I would. I was sharing about you with somebody else. I said, now I'm gonna tell you what, she a straight shooter.
Oh yeah.
I said, oh, she a straight shooter. She will put it out there like it is, and you cook it however you want. And I can appreciate that. I really can appreciate that. That
Yeah, because
you
it's
know, no phony, no fake, and this is what it is. This is what you have to do. And yeah, save the drama for your mama. Save your little sob story. Now, after you get through, okay, here your tissue dried up. Here's what you got to do. This is what you got to do to get where you want to go. Tell me where you wanna go. This is where you want to go. Okay, now here's how you what you have to do to get there. And and that's how you have to be. And I guess that's what makes your business successful, and that's what gives you a good name, because the scriptures talks about having a good name. And I appreciate how you talk a lot about stewardship,
Mhm.
because like you said, whatever is in you, that's what's gonna come out. If you just like what you said, if you had bad money habits before, you're
Mhm.
gonna still have bad money habits when you get to have more money. So I can really appreciate that. No round the mountain type stuff, but the straight out, this is what you want. Okay, here's what you have to do to get it. And I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that.
You know what, Miss Marilyn, this was so great.